Recording.
Open doors. Don't. Hey, don't. Open the door.
Recording.
Oh, he's up. He's up.
Open the door.
Open the door. Ah, shit. Watch out. Shots fired.
Recording.
Driver, show me your hands!
Won't do it.
Driver, show me your hands! Hey, no. Stay back here. Pull.
I'm gonna get him up. Just cover him.
How many are in the car?
2.
Tell him to slowly exit. Open the door from the outside.
Come here.
Hands on top of your head.
On top.
Interlock your fingers, turn the other way. Walk back towards us now.
Done.
Driver, show me your hands! Driver, show me your hands!
Ready? Look that way. You're good. Look that way.
Driver, show me your hands!
Come on over here.
Driver, show me your hands now!
Go for an effort and go.
Someone needs to walk around and cut the angle.
I got swing right
Driver, put your hands up! Can you see his hands? Driver, show me your hands! You can't see anything?
like he's unconscious.
Hey, he said he probably has a gun.
Yep. Driver, show me your hands! What's his name?
What's this guy? Was he awake when you exited the vehicle and conscious? Was he awake and conscious when you exited the car? Yes. He wasn't awake? He was dozing off?
Next unit up here, we need a shield. Driver, show me your hands!
Please. That's clear. 215, I'm on scene. 23.
Hey, don't! Hey. Got hands? Yep.
I'm coming over to unlock. Unlock.
Your guns on the floorboard.
260 must be going on sales.